So in this flag hosting season, I am going to make a remote controlled flag. For that, I have taken this wooden stick. I am cutting it to the required size. To put the pulleys, we have to cut the holes. Here we have cut the holes to the both sides. This belt will pull our flag. Now to put the pulley, I am making a hole. I have kept the belt a bit loose because we are going to put the gear which will stretch the belt. I am using this high torque gearbox to raise our flag. Now we have to put the setup on the board. Finally, it's working quite smoothly. After all, I am connecting the receiver circuit and the battery. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.